Today we will learn lesson 7. In this lesson, we will learn names of days of the week. Do you know how many days has a week? Yes, a week has 7 days. The first day of the week is Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. And the last day of the week is, yes, it is Sunday. And all of us know Sunday is a holiday. Now, open your book, page 28, Rainy Day. This is Johnny. Johnny knows Sunday is a holiday, so he wants to go out and play, but it is raining. So Papa says no. Mommy makes faces. Uncle closes the door. And Auntie says don't go. Papa makes a paper boat and puts it in water. The boat sails and Johnny claps his hands and tells Papa to make more boats. Now let us read. Rainy day. Rain, rain everywhere. Rain on the hills. Rain on the grass. Rain on the housetop. Rain in the courtyard. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. So, little Johnny wants to play. Papa says, no, no. Mommy makes faces. Uncle goes to close the door. Auntie too says, don't go. Papa makes a paper boat. He puts it in water. The boat sails forward. Little Johnny claps his hands. Please, Papa, make one more. What power? Courtyard. An open area enclosed by walls or buildings. Worksheet 7. Test your reading. 1. Name the 4 places where the rain is. The rain is everywhere. A. On the hills. B. On the housetop. C. On the grass. D. In the courtyard. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. Little Johnny wants to play. A. Papa says no, no. B. Mommy makes faces. C. Uncle closes the door. D. Auntie too says don't go. Papa makes a paper boat. A. He puts it in water. B. The boat sails forward. C. Little Johnny claps his hands. D. Please, Papa, make one more.